The all-new Opel Frontera made its first public outing in Istanbul, Turkey, replacing the aging Crossland with a larger body and modern Stellantis underpinnings. In terms of design, the Frontera marks the debut of the new Opel Blitz emblem on its visor fascia, accompanied by contemporary LED lighting. While the front and rear designs embrace Opel's latest design language, Opel says its new subcompact crossover will be available in the Frontera and Frontera GS trim levels. The GS trim is expected to feature a pair of 10-inch display. Other features include a cooled wireless smartphone charger and a pair of USB ports up front, with a further 2 USB ports in the second row. Opel has confirmed plans to introduce a 7-seater layout for the Frontera in the near future. Speaking the powertrain, the new Frontera is equipped with turbocharged 1.2-liter gasoline engine, complemented by a 48-volt mild hybrid system. The internal combustion engine generates 99 horsepower and an additional 28 horsepower provided by a single electric motor. Power is exclusively sent to the front wheels via 6-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. Additionally, a more potent variant of the Frontera hybrid will be available, featuring the 134 horsepower version of the 1.2-liter engine paired with the same mild hybrid setup. Meanwhile, the flagship EV trim could utilize the 154 horsepower electric motor with 54 kilowatt-hour battery. The automaker promises a WLTP range of over 300 km and 400 km when it comes to the long-range model. In Germany, the Frontera hybrid will start from around $25,900, while the Frontera electric is priced from approximately $31,282.